Welcome back to Dadskillz. Today we're going to take a look at how we take this out. And this is actually a subscriber request, so I hope this helps. Okay, so hopefully this is pertinent to your particular Peugeot partner. So it looks straightforward at the moment, although I don't know how straightforward it will be. So we'll take these two little plastic nuts off, and it's probably not been moved in its 5 or 6 year life, so we'll just give them a little push. Seems to be doing something. Let's have a little look. Okay, that's interesting. So it seems to get to a certain point and then it stops. Ah, there we go. Right, I'll show you what I did. So I think it was just the thread catching on there. So, oh, there we go, look. And then, there we go, look. That's pushed it out. You've got your lamp that you can change. You've got your clip there to actually remove the whole unit. Let's have a little look, shall we? As we put it out. We'll pull that out so we don't drop it in there. So, we have a closer look at it. So that comes up so that you can replace your lamp. That's cool. Set that back in. Somewhere there. We shall just push it a little bit and hold it from the other side just while we get these on. Right, there we go, we're back in. There we go. All back in. That's how you do it. See you soon.